So hello guys, you also want to create viral Stranger Things edit? So watch this video till end. So let's get to the preview guys.
Lua no céu, clareando a praça. Som que menina gira, sorri. Ninguém vai parar.
Then guys, import your clip and add your whatever you want the music. Go to the beat section and add beats to your music. After adding the beats to your video, add clips according to your beats of your music. After adding the clips according to your beats, after that add one keyframe in the starting of your clip and add second keyframe of your ending of your clip. Repeat this step in all clips. After adding the keyframes in all clips, click on the first keyframe and click on transform and click on advance and click then click on zoom in and then zoom according to your clip. After doing the zoom in, click right. And then click on graph section and add float to chart. Repeat this one step in two clips. In first keyframe you have to zoom in first keyframe and then after two clips you have to zoom in second keyframe. Repeat this step in all your clips and your video is done. After doing that you have to add flow to chart in all your clips. So guys, like and subscribe to my channel guys, and after doing this all the steps guys, your video is done. Then after doing this you have to export your video guys.